Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. In a previous video, we shared with you how you can earn money by just doing online jobs. And today we are back with another tutorial on how to make money online quickly and in a passive manner. We will show you how to earn money by getting other people to watch a YouTube video. So stay tuned until the end if you are interested in this opportunity. This method is entirely brand new. It's so unique that very few people even know that this new method for making money online exists. There are a lot of doubters and skeptics out there, we know. However, our purpose for today's video is for people to think about themselves in their own self-interest and to assist them in achieving their goals and earning their first few $100s online. I'll tell you right now that the earning potential here is immense. And the sky's the limit. Consider the financial and geographical freedom you can achieve if you succeed at this. You might even be able to pay off some debt. So enough with the intro, and let's jump right into it. Don't worry, we will show you every detail in this step-by-step tutorial to make sure you're on the right track every step of the way. The best part about this is that everything is completely free and requires no investment. It's also available to you wherever you are in the world. So in short, it's easy, convenient, and free. Okay, first go to YouTube and search for a motivational video. There are tons of these, so this should be a piece of cake for you. But be sure to find results that have gotten millions of views. Before we continue, let us clarify first that this is not a tutorial on how to create videos on YouTube, okay? This method won't require you to have a camera or a YouTube channel. It's much easier than that, actually. We do want to show you this best-kept secret on how to make big bucks. Besides, there are millions more motivational videos on this website that got millions of videos since so many individuals are looking for this type of information. So the first thing that we will do is go to uii.io and choose 3 different videos from the search results. This website is where we will earn PayPal money by having people click on our link. The concept is actually relatively easy. However, you have to create a free account first. Well, having an account is essential since you will receive the money from the link clicks through PayPal. This method is exactly how people from all over the world get paid real money every day. You will receive money per click, and depending on who clicks on your link, you will make varying amounts of money. For example, you will earn $5 if people from Norway click on your link. You can see that all different rates on their website for your reference. Now again, the website has the concept of shortening your link. Then you just have people to click on it, and you get paid again and again as long as users are clicking on your link. So that's our primary strategy. Again, go to YouTube and find 3 different videos. From there, we'll just have to click on the share button and copy the video link. But instead of sharing the video link, we're going to uii.io to shorten it. But that's the more accessible part. The next step is more complex, and that is to persuade folks to click on your links. Consider yourself lucky as we've got these scripts all written out for you. And you can just use it whenever you need to convince people to click on the link you sent them. The script's title is Motivate Yourself Like Never Before. And here's the full script right here. You can just copy this by rewriting all of it on Google Docs or MS Word, and you're done. Now that's done, let us show you how to sign up for a free account on uii.io. All you have to do is click on the button that says Sign Up, and it will take you to this page where you can register for free. All you have to do is type in your username, email address, and password. Once you've logged in into your brand new account, you'll see your main dashboard. This page is where you can see how many clicks you're getting and how much money you're making. Of course, if you're logging into a brand new account, you'll see 0 because you have not shortened any links and gotten people to click on them yet. We are using this new account so that if you're watching right now, you can exactly copy everything that we're showing. After that, when you are still in your dashboard, you can now click on the button that says New Shortened Link. That'll open up a new section. Now go back to YouTube and select the first video you want to share. Again, all you have to do is click on the share button and copy the YouTube URL link. I'll just type motivational and then click the start button, which as you can see will automatically help us shorten this YouTube link. This new link is a unique UII.O shortened link, and whenever people click on it, they'll be taken to YouTube and begin watching this video, and you'll be paying per click. Now all you have to do is copy the short link right here and paste it into the script that you had made. Repeat the process of finding another video. After you find a suitable video, shorten its link again in UII.io, then paste it into the second column. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Actually, the more links you put up with this strategy, the more money you will make. When you have all of the links in order, go to File and download and save this document as a PDF on your computer. This PDF file is what you will post on another website that we will be discussing next. Now, we're on to the final step, which is to get many people clicking on your shortened link and getting a lot of free traffic. All you have to do now is go to slideshare.net, where people upload documents and things like slideshows. Again, this website is free, so you can sign up without the hassle. You can join by clicking on the sign up button right at the top, which will lead to the main sign up page. Please note that you cannot upload a document here anonymously, so you really have to create an account for this. The next thing you have to do after registering is to click the upload button up top, and it'll take you to this page where you can upload a file. Just to let you know, slideshare.net has over 160 million monthly visitors, and many people come to this website looking to learn something new. So this is a perfect place for you to share these documents for free and for other people to read them. And if they want to learn more, they can click on your link and start watching the video. It's a win-win situation because you get to share this video with other people while also getting paid per click. And that's it. That's our video for today. We hope you liked that one. And if you do like it, please press the like button and share it with your friends. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Again, we tried a different type of video today, and if you love similar content like this, feel free to comment below. We will be glad to share more tutorials on how to make money online easily that can kickstart your millionaire journey. And if you have any further questions, also feel free to comment below. See you in the following video. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips in achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.